Welcome. In front of me is a POCO M5s, and today I will show you how you can insert a SIM and SD card into this phone. Now before we get started, you want to grab a SIM ejector like this one, which comes provided with the device in the box. But if you can't find it, you could also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now once you have either one, you can then pop out the tray. If you have a case on your phone, do take it off. Now the tray is located on the top left side of the phone, so right over here where the pin is holding. You want to push it in. As you can see, the tray pops out just a little bit, and now for you to take it out. And on here you have space for SD card and 2 SIM cards. I'm going to occupy one of each, like so, and then we can insert our tray back into our phone. Now my SIM card has a pin, so it will tell me to verify it. I'm going to quickly do so, and SD card is working as well. So there we go, both of the cards are working just fine. And that is how you'd insert them. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.